Curiosity killed my fury. You're becoming a curious. This morning I am out heading towards Deepwater Point, and actually I'm going to be going past Deepwater Point. Though it's one of my favorite spots to photograph, I'm going to be going past there to the Pato Bago area, which is a few miles past that and totally worth the drive on the hike. Just look at those clouds today, seriously. Gets a little bumpy out here. It's a 2-track. Unfortunately, the old Subi's up to the task. I think this is apt for every trail. This should be on every trailhead, or leading up to it, or somewhere on it. So beautiful. So beautiful out here. Just check out those pine trees and that cloud line. Because it's so windy and cold, I brought along one of these little heat pack things. They're reusable, and it looks like on this one you just said you bend the metal right there by my thumb. And apparently if you bend that, it activates something. Oh, there it goes. Oh, look at that. Look at it, just going right down the line on those snowflakes. Yeah, there we go. This will help keep the batteries warm. Yeah, I'm not too concerned about my hands. I'm more concerned about my batteries getting too cold and not working. Great solution to put in your little camera bag. Keeps these nice and warm. Holy smokes, those work good. Yep, perfect. Today, I'm going to break from my year of Kodak, and I'm going to be using my FujiFilm S-6000fd. Great camera. I wish that they would have continued this line up to some degree. They did a little bit, but then they lost the manual zoom barrel lens, and they kind of lost its luster after that. Great camera though. If you pick one of these up, it's a 6.3 megapixel sensor. Perfect sensor for this lens. It's quite windy out here, so I'm not going to do much talking. I'm just going to take a couple images with my FujiFilm S-6000fd. Maybe I'll start one right behind me, and as you may recall, if you're a watcher of this channel, I've been out here before in about the same area, but it's a different time of the year and I have a different camera, totally different mood. That's the best thing about landscape photography. Every time you head out, even to the same location, it's always different. Alright, my first shot's going to be about right here. And you can see my settings and focus. There goes the battery sign. It says it's you're almost out of batteries. Focus and clicky click. My next shot is going to be of the landscape you see in front of you. I'm going to go over by the shoreline where it kind of has a cool little contour section with some details. I'm going to shoot from a low perspective towards the background. Oh no! Sand and everything just got in here from the wind blowing on it. I'd say it's just too windy and breezy to bother filming out this spot. So I'm going to bring it around and take some choice images, and then I will share my thoughts afterwards. One excursion that was so windy, I felt like I had to sail from like the boom of a ship on my face the whole time. It's so neat out there, so cold, but I was expecting that. And I'm glad I brought along my FujiFilm S-6000fd. The Kodak P-880 is a nice camera, but the batteries from those older cameras just don't handle this colder weather the way that good old AA batteries and say this Fujifilm do. So that's why I chose this guy over the P-880. Both had manual zoom lenses, but this guy just wins out because of its reliability in colder weather. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this hodgepodge of a video. I was hoping to film more of the process along the way, but it became so windy and my camera fell over. And yeah, anyway, that's the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and of course, until next time, don't forget to subscribe and make the ordinary extraordinary.
Storms are coming, hear the rain patter, hear the rain patter. Storms are coming, so full of wonder, I